Hey, this is Awais with Open Trader, and this is the market analysis and outlook video for Wednesday, October 17th. Now, in our last video, which was shot on Monday, we discussed the idea of using 1428 as primary support, and on the upside, we were watching 1435 to 1437, and we wanted to see a break above it in order to confirm buyers in control, and at that point, our bias would be completely bullish, and our upside targets were 1445, 1448, 1451, and 1453. So we can see that 1451 actually got hit the very next day, and the 1453 target was hit today. And today is turning out to be more of a balanced session. We're getting a slightly narrower range than the prior couple of days, and I think that's primarily because the econ news, the housing starts number, was out in pre-market, and there hasn't been any other economic catalyst to really drive price too much higher. And we have a couple of economic reports out tomorrow, and I think those could serve as the catalyst for another directional push. But on the day time frame today, I think that we're getting a bit of a consolidation action, and just a slightly narrower range than we've seen over the past few days. So heading into tomorrow and Friday, we're going to be keeping an eye on 1455, 1455 half. We're actually going to switch over to the composite chart that we were using before, which started, I believe, on September 13th. So let's actually switch to that. Here we go. And in this chart, we can see that now we have heavy acceptance at 1455, and the value area high at 1462 half, value area low at 35 half, which coincides with the open gap. So the ideas for the next couple of days, buyers still are in control, and even this bouncing action is happening at higher prices, so our bias is bullish heading into the next couple of days. And with the Philly Fed index and jobless claims out tomorrow, that could serve as the catalyst for another directional push, and that push could be higher towards 62 half and the balance area high of 1468. On the downside, in the event that we get some rejection or failure up here and get a pullback, we're going to be expecting responsive buyers to be active on the first pullbacks into support. And on the support side, we'll be using 1443 to 45, the low of Monday 4075, 1439 quarter, and finally 1435 to 1437 as support areas on any pullbacks, and we'll be looking for long setups on the day time frame. So in the event that we fail here, shorts are fair game, but we're going to be using those support areas as profit targets and as areas to look for long setups, because at this point, buyers are in control, our bias is bullish, so really we're going to be looking for long setups at support zones, and really the focus is going to be on the long side, and if we start seeing rejection here, then we'll use those support areas as areas to take profit on any shorts. But as of now, the way the market is set up, this could continue pushing higher, and we do have econ reports over the next couple of days that support that idea, and that could serve as catalysts for the move higher. Any questions, please post it in the comments, and we'll address it there or in the next video. We hope you're finding these videos to be helpful and useful to your trading, and we will catch up with you in the next market outlook video. Take care.